The 2020 New South Wales Local Government Excellence Award for Risk Management, proudly sponsored by Statewide Mutual and JLT. Cumberland City Council Enterprise Risk Management Framework. Council's risk management team sought to implement a fully integrated end-to-end enterprise risk management framework developed in conjunction with the Audit Risk and Improvement Committee, elected council, internal ombudsman shared service, and its executive and senior management teams. Council initially had external consultancy support in the co-facilitation of workshops with all levels of management prior to the risk management team finalising the guidelines and policy that underpin the framework, as well as the new operational risk registers. This framework included the workshopping of risk appetite statements and risk tolerances with the elected council, ensuring it was supported at all levels. Goldenfields Water County Council Drinking Water Management Control System. Goldenfields Water needed to demonstrate its compliance with the requirements of S25 Public Health Act 2010 to develop a quality assurance program in line with the Framework for Drinking Water Quality Management in the Australian Drinking Water Guidelines 2011. A new risk assessment of all 5 water supply schemes was undertaken as part of the development and adoption of a new drinking water management system. Part of the process of undertaking a review of the previous system was to highlight any required actions and improvement processes. Kiama Municipal Council Public Interest Disclosure Risk Assessment. On 1 July 2019, there were changes to the Public Interest Disclosure Act. The changes affect Commonwealth corporations. However, there is varying advice on whether these changes apply to New South Wales local government. Kiama Council were determined to be proactive in this space, as it is predicted to eventually to be a requirement for local government, and irrespective of the changes, there is a risk exposure to council that could be mitigated better. Northern Beaches Council Incident and Emergency Management Program. An informed, prepared and connected community is a resilient community, with these same principles equally applying to our organisation, ensuring that we are ready to lead in times of crisis. Council's Incident and Emergency Management Program aims to build resilience in our community so that we are prepared for and can adapt to climate change and natural hazards. Council has initiated a number of key activities that focus on increasing capacity, awareness and preparedness for our most valuable and at-risk sections of the community, whilst building our relationships with our emergency services. Walgett Shire Council taking the office on the road. The project really didn't have a name as such. It was more of a concept that grew until the end result was achieved. A mobile office designed specifically for WHS. The fleet supervisor and the WHS officer had been tossing around the notion between themselves for some time about obtaining a vehicle for the WHS officer to enable him to travel around the Shire and broaden the WHS exposure amongst the workforce. Following an unfortunate incident in the middle of the year, management were investigating areas to improve both risk management and, more importantly, safety for staff. We now have a message from our sponsor, Statewide Mutual and JLT, Troy Green, to speak. But as he's about to announce the highly commended and winners, if we could please remember to make sure that we have our webcam enabled so that we can spotlight the winner. Okay, Troy, over to you.
I'm Troy Green, General Manager, Tweed Shire Council, but I'm speaking to you today as a representative of JLT and board member at Statewide Mutual. 118 member councils across New South Wales benefit from the Mutual's 24 years of experience. We provide 5 schemes: property mutual, liability, council as an officer, crime and motor vehicle. Our ability to spread risk, safeguarding individual members against financial disaster with multi-million-dollar claims absorbed among our members is our major strength. Risk management and risk mitigation measures are strongly supported by Statewide with an active continuous improvement program. As such, It gives me great pleasure to be with you today presenting the award for Risk Management category. Nominations for this category were tasked with recognising the community or council benefits delivered through the identification, control and mitigation of risk within a council's unique risk profile. The project needed to highlight the positive difference councils can make through effective enterprise decision making around their risk management programs in the very complex local government sector. I'm pleased to announce the winning team and a team receiving the highly commended award in the risk management category. First, we will announce the highly commended award in the risk management category. In awarding a highly commended, the judges' comments included: the results were costed and measurable and enhanced the council's business performance and relationships with state and federal agencies. The control system ensured regulatory compliance while reducing human error when entering data. The big advantage for field-based staff is the ability to enter data via web-based mobile devices, and the solution started in the water unit but was able to be shared and expanded throughout the organisation. And the highly commended award goes to Goldenfields Water County Council for their project Drinking Water Management Control System. Congratulations to the team from Goldenfields Water County Council. Well done.
Congratulations, team.
And now, the winner of the statewide JLT Risk Management category. This was a tough category, and the judges' comments reflect the great work that the winning team presented, including a great grassroots practical risk management initiative that evolved from a council not as well resourced as some, delivering to remote areas covering 22,336 square kilometres. The project was linked to the strategic plan and addressed a range of work health and safety and risk initiatives relevant to being on the road with an outdoor workforce. The project was budgeted and provided clear and positive outcomes for business performance with productivity measurement that was ongoing and easy to use. And in 10 years' time, this project will still be in use, delivering the outcomes, savings and risk improvements. I'm pleased to announce the winner of the statewide JLT Risk Management Award goes to Walgett Shire Council for their submission, taking the office on the road. Congratulations to the team from Walgett Shire Council for an outstanding submission. Well done.
And that was some great celebrating there, Walgett Shire Council. Well done. I want to thank everybody for attending today and thank our sponsor, Statewide Mutual JLT, for sponsoring this category. As you may already know, we do have a chance to celebrate next year at our awards dinner, and highly commended and winners will have the chance to come together, receive their trophies and have official photographs taken at our awards dinner, which is scheduled for Thursday, the 3rd of June. We'll also reach out to our winners and highly commended for a statement so that we can upload that to our social media page along with this recording so that you can share it with your colleagues. But congratulations everyone that submitted in this category. Thank you all for attending and have a great week.